Hello everybody, this is your life coach Rupesh Mathur from Translife Consulting, and welcome to my first video today. And I'm very excited and happy about it that I'm connecting with all of you through this medium. And of course this is a lockdown period for everybody, and so I just wanted to touch base on that. And ever since the lockdown has begun, so what I've been observing is that a lot of talk is happening on the tough time, critical time, and how are we going to manage things moving on. So a lot of talk is happening on social media among friends, relatives, and colleagues, etc. And these kind of conversations are definitely not going to help us at all. So we have to, raise ourselves up and try to come out of, negotiate with this particular scenario or the time that we are living in, which will not only help us, and it will also help our family members. Because if we are into a negative frame of mind, if we are feeling demotivated, it will definitely send that vibe to our family members also. Your wife can also get affected with it, your kids, your parents, and so on. So let me help you with a story here to make you understand the whole thing. So two friends were traveling in a train on a long distance travel, and so as a train will normally stop on various stations which are scheduled stations, scheduled stopovers, but there was one stopover which was in the middle of nowhere, and it was a sudden stop, and of course it was unscheduled. So now this friend A, he was pretty relaxed, and he checked his messages, called a few people, took out a book from his briefcase and started reading it. Vis-a-vis the other friend, friend B, if you might call him, and he became very restless. He was jumping here and there and looking at his watch. He got down from the coach just to inquire what is happening, and so his anxiety and fear was scaling up, and which was definitely not helping him. So the similar is the case with all of us today, that suddenly the journey of our life has stopped. So how would we like to take it as? Should we take it as a restless person, or should we negotiate with it in a more constructive manner, so that and the belief system of ours has to be intact, that yes, life will move on, things will become brighten up, and things will move on. So we have to also maintain or keep our belief system intact, which is very important. And as I said, that it affects our family also. So how do we spend our time with our family, with ourselves? So we have to plan it accordingly. I suggest just make a high level schedule for each day, or for a week for that matter, and stick to it. Take care of your health, take care of the diet you are taking, do exercises. If you know some kind of meditation, get into meditation. Write your thoughts if you love to write. Read books which will help you in positive thinking. Spend time with your kids, because earlier when we were in the pre-lockdown era, everybody used to complain that I don't have time for my family, I'm unable to spend time with my kids. So now life is giving you that time, and try to utilize it with your kids. Play with them some indoor games, help them in studies, spend time with your parents, with your life partner. So that is how I think and I believe it will help all of us to negotiate and pass this particular pause that has come up in the journey of our lives, which is definitely unprecedented. And so we should not get bogged down by this. We should keep ourselves motivated, and so which will help us to come out of it. We should try to accept things as they are, adjust yourself, and take action accordingly. So friends, take care, be positive and be safe, and we'll connect again. Thank you for passing by, and see you soon.